How to change phone number on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your phone number on Facebook. It's a pretty simple process, so let's start. First of all, open Facebook and log into your account. Then after, tap on three lines on the right side of your screen. Then after, scroll below and go to settings and privacy and select settings. It will lead you to a screen like this. Tap on the Meta account center. Then after, scroll below and go to profile details. Now tap on contact info. In order to change your mobile number, first of all add the new mobile number that you want to use. For that, tap on add new contact and select add mobile number. After you have added the mobile number, tap on next and the new mobile number will be added. After you have successfully added the new mobile number, it's time to delete the existing one. Tap on the existing mobile number that you previously used, then tap on delete number. As you do that, your existing mobile number will be deleted and your new mobile number will be used on Facebook. So in this way, you can easily change phone number on Facebook. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.